In today's digital age, email remains the crucial communication platform for businesses, both internally and externally. As a CEO or executive, it's essential to present yourself and your brand professionally through your email signature. But you may be thinking, I don't have time for complicated designs. That's where ByBrand email signature templates come to rescue. What do you need from your email signature as a CEO or executive? 3 key things. Number 1, brand consistency and professional look. Your email signature should reflect your brand's identity and maintain a professional appearance. Number 2, important information. It should provide crucial information that catches the eye and helps recipients identify you. Number 3, easy to edit. Your email signature should be pre-built and easy to modify. With ByBrand CEO email signature templates, creating the perfect email signature is a breeze. You can make your executive email signature in just a few clicks. Now let's create another signature for the company. Click on signature. We're gonna go with business executive. So I'm gonna choose this one with the brand logo. For this one, you can change the company logo very easy. Click on the image gallery, upload your logo. You can adjust the size, make it smaller, change the name. Give a title for team member. I'm gonna leave it at VP of Operations. You can change the phone number, give the company website here, and also change the address to your address. And also you can share the social media like usual. Click on the image, that one would be for the Facebook, and insert link. Add your LinkedIn, click and insert link. Put the company's LinkedIn page here, insert. I'm gonna add our website here as well. So I'm gonna click at the end of these images and click on image gallery and click on icons, and you can add any platform that you like. You can do YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, web pages. The possibilities are limitless. I'm gonna select this one for the website, adjust the size, and select insert link, and I'm gonna link it to the company website. And done. The nice thing about the ByBrand email signature is the disclaimers. So you can add your disclaimers down here so everybody know you are legally compatible. So just changing the disclaimer down here. And if you have like a multinational company, you can change it for different languages. I'm happy with overall look of this signature. I'm gonna give it a name and you save the signature. Ready to go, as easy as that. Like I mentioned, you can click on more and share this signature for members of the company. You can make clones and change the name for all of the people in the company. You can also test the signature to see if it looks good on different platforms. Click on the test and go on the quick preview. You can see how does it look at the bottom of the email. You can also email it to yourself or different members of the team to see if it looks good on their platforms as well. And when you're happy with everything, you click on paste in email. You can again download your signature as an HTML, or you want to use Gmail and you copy signature. In your Gmail, you click on settings, see all settings, going down to the signature, and you create another one, give it a name, create, and you paste the signature here. Making sure everything looks good. The links are working. You can change the signature defaults here for new emails. You want to go with the company signature or your personal signature. Same thing for the replies as well. I'm just going to leave it at that, and we're going to save changes. Now we're going to compose a new email. Now you have the option to change between your email signatures. Just click on insert signature, and you can switch between the personal and the company right here. Click on company. And the email right here, we have the disclaimer, we have the name, title, logo, phone number, website, and address. Everything looks fantastic. Just few clicks and we are done. And if you go back to the signature page on ByBrand, you have your signatures here. You can modify them as much as you like. In conclusion, creating a perfect email signature for CEOs and executives has never been easier. ByBrand's email signature templates are here to make your life simpler and your brand shine. Give it a try today and enhance your professional image in just a few clicks.